Don't worry, I got you. We're back on the boat. Alright guys, welcome back. We're on the boat today and we're going to be going to a little island, exploring, cooking, having a fire. It's going to be a good time. It's going to be right past that point. Should be a lovely time. It's starting to rain, but still going to be nice. Let's go. I guess the weatherman didn't lie. The wind lasted for about 10 minutes and died again. So, back to motoring. It was fun while it lasted. Rock. It's raining! It's starting to rain pretty heavy out here. Got the foam protection on, but sad news, we're bringing the sail back in. There just is absolutely no wind. Oh, I got you. But there's our island there. We're actually like super close. We're super close to it. Just gotta get through this rain, put up the sail. Yes, sir. I think there's some fish out here because I'm seeing 1 seal, 2 seal, 3 seal, 4 seal. Hi, seals. There's the island. We'll be there in 15 minutes. There's bigger island. It's rain. It's raining. Bundled up. It's cold. It's sealy out, bruh. Bird. There's the island. That's what we're gonna be checking out. Right now, we're gonna go buoy up right over there. But that's the island we're gonna be checking out. It's gonna be sick. Sick, sick, sick. Whoa. Alright, coming in. Gonna grab a buoy. No one's taking any of them. That's nice. And once we get in, I'm pretty hungry, so we're gonna make a steak with some other nice stuff on it. Okay, I'll check in once we're cooking. We made it. All right, we made it to our island. Still kind of rainy, actually more rainy than before, but all this sailing got me hungry. So I'm gonna cook up some steaks on the grill, some onions, peppers, cheese. We're gonna have a good meal. So let's get cooking. Oh, some rain on the camera. We're gonna get cooking. Then depending on how we feel, we'll go to shore either tonight or in the morning. Maybe it's less wet in the morning. But it's lovely out. I don't see any other boats here, and it's gonna be a good day. Bye. Oh. Need more time. Gosh dang it. Seven more minutes on the steak. Perfect medium rare. Probably. Steaks are done. Steaks, I don't know how cooked they are. I hope they're cooked good. And of course, plate of greens for the health. Goat cheese for the steak. Alright, it's the rain lightened up a little. It's still going, but it's good enough to sit outside. I'm gonna eat this. I'll see you later. Steak is done good. How I like it. But it's getting a little wet. My food's getting a little wet, but it's okay.
What are sloppy steaks?
It's a steak with water dumped on it. It's really, really good.
This broke down palace on my hands and my
Alright, well, it's a little rainy and the fog came in, so it's cool and kind of scary looking. I'm probably just gonna chill in the cabin and see you in the morning. So, peace. Ooh, looks like a ghost pirate would come out of there. The motherfucking black pearl would come out of there, bro. I decided to go explore the fog. This could be either really cool or a really dumb idea. I think it's gonna be cool. Holy crap. It's so freaky out here. I think I'm gonna stop here because if I keep going, I'll probably get hit by a freight boat. So I don't want to do that. Holy shit. we're chilling. I think what I'm gonna do is listen to this album and chill and see what happens. What's up? Look how nice it is outside.
Oh my goodness!
It rained all night and now it's sunny and lovely. So I think we're gonna stay here one more day. We're gonna go explore and then maybe tonight we could have a fire. But it's got really nice. I made a breakfast quesadilla. We're gonna relax, go to shore, explore. It's gonna be a good day. Oh, damn. Damn, son. They're all up in this place. Alright, we're heading to the island. We're gonna go beach and explore it. Whoa, we made it on the island. There's some trails through it. It's pretty cool. I think we're gonna walk up over there and I think we can walk all the way around it, which should be fun. We're gonna see what we can see. Maybe an animal or two, probably a couple trees. It's pretty out. Alright, we got our first animal sighting out in the wild. Look at this thing. It might look like a piece of poo, but it's actually a banana slug. The more you know. Be quiet. I found another one. Look at that view, bruh. I don't know if it's a banana slug. So don't get mad if that's not a banana slug and some other type of slug. But it's a slug, I think. Alright, let's keep going. Look at that thing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We found a bird. Pretty out here. Alright, I think we're gonna chill right here for a little bit and then head back to the boat for a fire. Oh. All right, that was sick. This is definitely a cool island, pretty island. But I think I'm hungry, so it's time to head back to the boat. We're in a little predicament. We gotta get our feet wet, because that's the only way to the shore. But look, there's some birds, and then there's a little seal. Oh. No, it's too late. Hot out. Hi birds, please don't attack me. Oh gosh. You see that seal? Alright, we're almost back. We made it back. Alright, I mean, we didn't go around the whole island. I didn't go over there. We ran around the front, so still pretty good. Saw seal, slug, bird. Pretty good adventure. I'm gonna go out and make some chicken, probably some beans, and eat dinner, and then we'll have a fire right there on the beach. It's gonna be sick. All right, we just had dinner. A couple more boats showed up. We're not the only ones at the island anymore, and we're gonna head to shore shortly and get a little fire going. But it's a nice sunset and a beautiful calm night. So I'll see you on shore. Alright guys, we got a little fire going. It's a lovely sunset. We're gonna enjoy the fire, go to bed early because we're going to a new island tomorrow morning. Gonna leave early for it. If you enjoyed this video, follow along because I'll be doing more islands. It'll be fun, so much fun. But thanks for watching. This island's pretty cool. I'll be exploring some more, and thanks.